Welcome to the land of common sense. But our first concern is, do you know about Tron Smart Contract? Tron is a blockchain platform that has been developed to support high throughput and smart contracts. It allows developers to build and deploy their own daps decentralized applications. With only a minimum income of 50 TXR, $1 at the exchange, you made the corresponding proportional part every second and you can choose if you want to reinvest or withdraw the capital. Other major benefit of choosing the Tron network for smart contract MLM development is that the transaction speed of Tron, i.e., 25,000 TPS, which is many times greater than Bitcoin and Ethereum network transactions. The transaction fee of TRX is nearly zero, which makes crypto users prefer TRX to ETH, BTC, and more. Common Sense presents a bunch of products that are total 7 in number for your health and wellness. #CSBRAINSENSE relieves stress. Improves cognitive function, and balances your mind. Includes essential vitamins and micronutrients. #CSGUTSENSE immune support, balance serotonin, and help digestion brain health heart health enzyme blends. #CSSLEEPSENSE balances mood promotes restful sleep and relieves pain with chamomile, melatonin, and GABA. #CSFOUNDATION improves circulation bone and joint health and energy. Rebuild. Recover. Repair. #CSXANSENSE all natural no sugar only 5 calories with mangosteen, reishi mushrooms, acal and bilberry. All these products are for the betterment of your brain, mind and body. Follow us on Facebook to get to know more about the wellness care and financial opportunities provided by Common Sense and discover Tron Smart Contract as well.